Hi, I'm Jose Anunciato, and you're watching the WebDev channel. All right, so let's take a look at creating a React form that would allow us to add new modules. So I believe we already had an input field. No, I think we were playing with that yesterday. Yeah, with title changed, right? Remember that? We were changing the title, the target value, and I believe we did the button create module. Let's see, what did the onChange title change do? Right, so we're console where we're creating module, the title, and the target. All right, so we have an object, a module object that we're building. Awesome, we have that already. And the create module just printed out the module object, right? So let's see if that still works. We were playing around with it yesterday, and so let's do the let's put this down below here. And console, and if we go and type it, so that works, and that generates title, and then right, we're printing the module. All right, so we have an object already. So basically, the only thing it's left to do is to have a kind of service where we can post the module and send it to the server, right? Let's see. Right, so this just builds on this, right? Creates the module, the title. It builds the title. It creates the module. All right, so we need a service to actually create the module. And do we have the service? No. All right, let's create the service. It's still going to be a singleton, just like before, but it's going to be a module service. All right, so let's do that. It'll be in the services directory, and this will be new module service.js, and we're going to paste that in there. And in here, we are going to implement the create module, right? So let's copy that. We'll need a constant that goes to localhost. We'll declare it up here, right? For now, it's localhost 8080. Perfect. We're gonna leave it like that. And I'm gonna have a CID in there, like a placeholder, right? That I'm going to dynamically substitute with the actual ID of the course. And the service is going to send a fetch, right, which is going to be a post. And what's going to do is that it's going to take the module API, it's going to replace the CID with the actual course ID, and then it's going to send a JSON post to the server, and it's going to respond with whatever comes back from the server. Okay. So on the client side, the create module needs to call that instance. So we need to load that service, right? We need to load the service. So that'd be import module service from where is it? In services, right? And under there we have module service. There we go. Now that we have the module service, we can grab the instance. So this dot module service will be module service dot instance. Okay. Once we have the instance, we can start calling on it on the create module. Right here, we're gonna call this dot module service dot create module. We're gonna pass this dot state dot module. I think we need two things there, right? We need the ID of the module itself, the object, but we also need the ID of the course, I believe. No, we need the course ID, and we need to pass that. And I believe it's in the properties, right? The course ID is in the property. There it is. This dot props course ID, and we'll put that in there. All right, that's going to send over the module. And what else? What else do we need to do? We need to, let's see, module list. We got the service. We're going to send the module, and it's going to send an insert into the database. And to test this, we need to implement find all modules, right? So which we like to be able to retrieve all the modules. So we know that we already have a couple modules in there for module number 2, for course number 2. So let's insert a couple modules there. Let's see if it works. Let's refresh. Okay, so it looks like it didn't blow up. Let's do a test module, and do in there. Okay, let's see in the network. Did it die? I don't believe so. Let's see. It did a pre-flight, and then it came back saying, yep, we posted it, and it came back as a response 102. So we have a brand new module with whose ID is 102. If we go here and we refresh, it didn't show. No? Aww. I'm sorry? Course ID was 12? Oh, really? Yay! Okay, so it was there. Right. So we have different modules for different courses, right? So the only thing that would be remaining is to implement retrieve me all the modules for that particular course, so I can re-render the list of courses, right? The list of modules, right, for that course, meaning iterate over this array and display, right? And it would be exactly the same technique that we used for rendering the list of courses. Okay, let's get started on that. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like the video, and share it. Thanks.